Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can make this. The part of Marvel Studios Avenger Captain America Shield and its magnetic belt using some cardboard and some magnets. So let's start. I started by cutting several pieces like this. After I smashed them a little bit, like this, and glue them together using hot glue gun. I cut a large round piece like this and I glued it in the middle of the shield. Now I paste the main part of the shield, star. It's a stand where I fix my magnet for a magnetic glove, like this. Now I am using cardboard strip just like a stopper. These are the other parts for our magnetic gloves.